Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back for another math lesson with Miss Kim. Today, we're going to be doing a word problem, okay? And so this week, we've been learning a lot about bears. We read two different types of books about bears. And so I thought we should do a word problem on black bears, okay? Now, when you think of a black bear, what do you think about black bears? Do you think they're scary? Do you think they're cute? Um, would you want to meet an actual black bear? Okay, so let's see what our word problem is for today, okay? So let's read it together. The park ranger counted black bears last year. This year he counts black bears. How many black bears did he count in all? Okay, so what is the question asking? They're asking how many black bears did he count in all? Okay, who? They're talking about the park ranger. So the park ranger went into the wild, into the forest, and he counted a certain amount of black bears last year, and then he went back to the forest again, to the woods, and then the following year he counted, we don't know yet the number of black bears, but he counted a certain amount of black bears, okay? And so we're going to look at three sets. Okay, so today you're going to be doing all three sets. We're going to do the first set together. Make sure you have a paper and a pencil with you. You can press pause to grab it. Okay, so let's do the first set together. So we're going to do this set together. Okay, all right, so the park ranger, let's read again. The park ranger counted, so now we put the number 400. So the park ranger counted 400 black bears last year, okay? Okay, and then this year he counts 200 black bears, okay? So how many black bears did he count in all? So first you gotta think of a strategy and how to answer the question. And then you need to set up an equation. And then the last step is you need to write a sentence, okay, to answer the question, okay? So what I would do is I would first maybe draw 100 blocks, okay? So I know that there are 400, so there's 100 block, 200 blocks, 300 blocks, and 400 blocks, okay? So the park ranger counted 400 black bears last year, so this is 400, right? But then this year he counts another 200 black bears. So he counted even more black bears. So I would do another 200 blocks. So I would do 100, and 200. Okay. So how many hundreds are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600. So 600 blocks means that there are 600, right? So this represents 600, okay? So now I'm gonna come up with an equation. So I'm gonna do 400, he had 400 bears, he counted 400 black bears, then he counted 200 more black bears this year. So then total he has 600. Okay, so I did a strategy, okay, and then I did an equation or number sentence, and now I'm going to write this sentence, a complete sentence to answer my question. How many black bears did he count in all? The park ranger counted 600 bears in all, period. Okay, so that's my final answer. Okay, so make sure when you write your answer, you start out the park ranger counted blank bears in all, okay? So that's how you're gonna answer the question. Okay, so for on the seesaw, make sure that you do the first set. Okay, I did it with you, and then you're gonna do the second set, and you're gonna do the third set. Okay, all right. So I'll see you next time. Bye.